Welcome back to Stocklabs. We just finished the month of August, which means it's time to check in on Fly's quant strategy. It's a pretty rough month for stocks. S&P was down about 4%, Qs were down 5%, and Fly's quant went unchanged, down 0.2. Was actually green up until it slid the last couple days of August into marginally negative territory. Still up 7% for the year, which is great compared to the overall market. S&P is down around 17% for the year. The Qs are down around 25%, pretty bad year for them. Again, this portfolio is only rebalanced once a month on the first trading day of the month. So these stocks get picked based off of fundamental criteria, and then the Stocklabs algorithms are overlaid onto that for the actual selection out of the group that gets returned that meets the fundies. So, the stocks are good quality companies and get their blessing from the Stocklabs algos on top of that. So for this month, top performers, okay, a couple biotechs. Let me put the industries on the table here. Okay, a couple biotechs, top performers, 28, 25%, pretty good. We got, Tanker up double digits, 12%, and the rest single digit returns on the positive side. This portfolio took more of a balanced approach this month as opposed to the heavy overweight oil and gas and energy stocks that had been riding most of the year. Basically Stocklabs kind of said that wasn't warranted anymore, and it decided to pick some more things across other sectors than just letting energy dominate the portfolio. On the downside, also a couple biotechs and sort of spec healthcare stocks. So that sector, there's a lot more variance between the holdings. It's not like they all move together. You see like down 17, down 12 for Halo and Twist. And then only a couple other stocks down, but overall basically balanced out to flat on the month. The year-to-date performance so far, kind of holding this little bit of midpoint, off the highs. This is where this was like the last great moment for the oil and gas stocks. If we look at it from here, big drawdown when that trend broke, and then bounced back last month, and then held like this is July. The August will print tomorrow. But yeah, unchanged for actually the last 2 months now. It's more or less, down 1%. But, market's been bad. So it's, it's pretty good. Still maintaining green. This isn't the, like I showed on the chart, the high for the year, I think was around 23, 24% to the upside. Gave back some of that when the oil and gas trend broke, and now sort of maintaining this area, which is still great outperformance versus the overall indices being down double digits all over the place. So the goal is to keep the portfolio invested. So this is always 100% invested. It doesn't really go to cash or try to do any market timing type stuff. But keeping it fully invested, hopefully it's picking the best stocks to at least do well in whatever tape is whatever tape the market is producing. So yeah, good month from the Fly, all things considered. New portfolio will be out tomorrow sometime. I know Fly's traveling, so it might not be out like at the same time it usually is, around noon, but he'll get to it at some point. So be on the lookout for the new holdings if you're following along with this. And yeah, looking forward to closing the year strong. All the pros are going to be back at the desk after Labor Day. So last September and then the last quarter of the year should be pretty exciting, and hopefully you get some momentum out of this portfolio to close out 2022. Yeah, that's all from me. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the open tomorrow. Bye.